All right, adventure seekers, it is campground review time, and today we are at the KOA in Abilene, Texas, located right next to, which is right there, I-20. So let's take a look. There, the pool seems to be closed for Christmas. Missed that altogether because we didn't have the camera pulled over there. We'll try to get another shot. So as you see all the information scrolling by about this KOA. Over here on the right, the right are some cabins. And we've got a bunch of pull-through spots here. And there's a few spots that even have covered picnic areas. These are all gravel with, I would call Abilene grass, which is kind of wiry grass, spots around them. I'll be honest with you, I mean, we just pulled in here for the first time. We're not staying here. And this is probably the nicest KOA I've seen in a long time. It looks clean, it looks well maintained. There's a big old Phaeton. What do you think, Talon?
It's a very small park though.
Yeah, it's not very big, and again, it's right off the interstate, so it's easy to get to, but it's probably going to be a little noisy with road noise at night.
And the drag strip down the road.
Yeah, oh, yeah, there is a drag strip like about half a mile down the road. Yeah, so not only is this one of the nicest, cleanest looking KOAs I've seen in a long time, it's the smallest KOA.
That's true.
It is. A little bit of trees. So you're not going to get a whole lot of shade here. Unless you're that sunseeker right there. He's got plenty of shade. A few back-end spots here on the right. Good AT&T and Verizon signals here. Since we're not staying here, we can't really speak to the campground Wi-Fi, but if it's like any other KOA we've ever stayed at, it's probably not good. If you've ever stayed at this campground, we'd love to hear your opinions on it, especially about the Wi-Fi, because we have no idea. So let us know what you think about the Wi-Fi. I guess it is a little bit bigger than we thought. Some more cabins, some more pull-through spots. But it is very conveniently located off I-20, like I said earlier. So if you're just passing through and you need a place to stay for the night, this is a great place because there's a lot of pull-through spots. It's easy to get in and out of, and you know,
very level.
And everything looks very level, exactly. Which has not been our experience with a lot of our campgrounds that we've visited lately. We've had a lot of problems where you think the entire area we are in is level except for the campground, and it seems like the campground's on some sort of mountain, and that's just been our luck. Again, if you've ever stayed at this particular campground, please let us know your thoughts and opinions. If you've stayed at any of the other campgrounds in the Abilene area, we've done campground reviews for the Whistle Stop RV Park, the VFW Post, which also has an RV park, and the Dias Air Force Base Fan Camp. If you've ever stayed at any of those or some other campgrounds in the area, let us know what your favorite campground is in the Abilene area, and just leave us a note in the comments below. If you stayed here, let us know what you've thought of this place. I'd stay here. We almost did actually, but we ended up getting a place on base which was cheaper, so we didn't. But this is pretty nice. And we're going to get you a shot at the pool and playground as I rotate the camera around. There's the pool and playground area. Get my arm out of the way, blocking Shelly. And as you can see, like I said, it's right off the interstate. Well, there's I-20 right there. So thanks as always for watching. If you want to see any of our other campground reviews of the places we have been to and around, please take a look at our playlist. We have a whole playlist dedicated to campgrounds. We also have a playlist dedicated to military campgrounds. And if you're not a subscriber, we'd love you to become an adventure seeker with us and join us on our epic journey as we travel across these United States.
So make your journey. So make your next journey an epic adventure.
See you next time. Bye.